In the next video, let us see how to format the data. Hi students, here let us see how to use this format function to format my input or output results. Format method returns the formatted string. How it returns the string? Let's see here. Like I'm giving here student name equal to Ravinder and the student average equal to some age equal to. Okay, so this average of marks. Okay, fine. So I have the string 1 here. Inside the string 1, what I'm writing here is string name is 0, comma age equal to 1. After that, there is a dot operator here. Okay. So here I have a dot, then format of function. It's a built-in function of student name, comma age. So what are these zeros and the ones are called? These are called placeholders. Okay, this 0 is takes the value of the first argument which I am passing to this format function, and this one takes the second argument. Okay, so this is the information I stored already inside this variable, or directly you can print like this. Student name is 0, comma 1, format of nickel, then age is again something 6. Otherwise, see here there is no any value 0 or 1. Like this also you can write simply. So automatically by default it takes the student name here. This age takes the next value. In this way also you can write. So what is the use of this zeros and ones is I can modify this sequence. Like instead of writing the student name, if you like change the format function like this, format of age, comma student name. If you pass the first argument as the age, then what do you do? Here you keep 1 and here you keep 0. Sorry. So here 0, 1. Here name is the 1 and the age is the 0. So like if we change this format function like this, format of age, comma student name. So age is as a here, student name is, this is the first argument because this is the 0, this is the 1, age is 0. So like I can change the values here. That's advantage by writing this values placeholders. Okay. Now student average here is 82 points. Here how many values I have? Totally here 5 values. Out of these 5 values, just I want to print only 2 values. Then what you can do? Something student average equal to percentage symbol, we can use it. So actually these are the, for F is for the float. This is like a C syntax. If you like to use those percentage F, percentage T, percentage, etc. So I can use like this percentage 0.2 to F. So 2 decimal places after the 82.65878. That will be printed as 66. Let's see your result. See. See here how much it is printing. Student average equal to, sorry, yeah, student average equal to 82.66. So first I'm printing this one because of the string variable 82.66, because after this value after the 5, this is greater than the 5, so it's printing as a 66. For example, if the value is the something 3 less than the 5, then you can see that as a 65 here. Okay. Next, I'm printing the string 1, string 2, string 3. So string 1 is name and the age, string 2 name, age, string 3 name and the age. Okay. Next, if I write like string 4 dot format of student average. Student average equal to, just I'm writing only percentage. Percentage means whatever the information we have, like here 82.65374 percentage. So that will be multiplied with 100, nothing but a 8265.37400. You are getting it here. After this decimal places, just after this dot, you would like to print the only two decimal places, 37. What do you write here? Instead of writing the percentage symbol, you write it here as a 0.2 percentage. But see, remember this colon is mandatory here. Colon percentage or colon 0.2 percentage. Like in the form of the percentage format, I can print the my float values or integer values also can be converted. So like this, I can use the format functions to print the result in the desired format.